Hello, this is Awais Ahmad and I represent a Door Canteen venture, and our team includes Sheikh Yasin Basha CEO, Syed Awais Ahmad CMO, and Syed Azimuddin CTO, Syed Multazim CFO, and Muhammad Ashraf as COO. And the basic idea behind our venture is to fill up the gap in between the canteen management and the student. So our team had actually proposed an innovative solution for this. So before coming up to the solution, I want to discuss a problem and why our team have decided to work on this kind of problem and to provide a most optimized software solution for this. And so within our college premises, we have seen many of the students and faculty members are facing problems in order to get things from the canteen management. So during the break hours, there will be kind of rushy kind of situations. So it's very difficult for a student to get the food on time, and because of that, as a result, the students will not be to their classes on time, and even we have seen that many of the students will miss their classes because of that. And also it will be very difficult for the canteen management to handle such kind of overcrowded situations. So in order to overcome this kind of problem, our team had proposed an innovative venture for this, and the solution will be to develop an Android application, thereby collaborating with the canteen management, through which the students and the faculty members can order the food and some other stuff through an online application. And it will be also helpful to the canteen management as well, in order to maintain the student record data, in order to prepare the food, and also to control overcrowded kind of situations. So when it comes to the competitors, our team have also analyzed the competitors as well, and our competitors will be Zomato, Swiggy. So why the Zomato, Swiggy? Why we have chose the Zomato, Swiggy as our competitors is because the prime core functionality of our application is to order the food through an online platform. So because of that, we have chose our competitors as Zomato and Swiggy. And when we have designed and analyzed our solution, we got to know that we are entering into the clone market in the sense, taking up an innovative idea and taking up an innovative solution and proposing into our idea. So yeah. So when it comes to revenue, our team have analyzed that more than investing money to build up our solution, we have to invest our time and skills to build up this kind of solution. And when it comes to the profit, if we can able to provide an innovative, scalable, reliable, efficient solution, obviously it's going to make up a profit for us. And if it shows a good result, we can even implement in other institutions as well, which actually increases our profit. And this is all about the revenue and the profit. And when it comes to the channels, obviously we'll be using our college website, to which we can advertise, and we'll be using the college Instagram handlers, Facebook pages, and etc. And also we can go for direct marketing as well. We can go for direct marketing and even use a flashy pamphlets and etc. And that's all about a very short brief description about our venture. And hope we'll be coming with some technical terms regarding the proposal of lean canvas of our venture and etc. And thank you and have a good day.